In this video, I'm going to show you how to crossfade in Pro Tools. Now, as you can see here, I do have two audio clips, and of course, if you want to crossfade, they have to be like next to each other, just like this. So you want to just click and drag them with the dragger tool over here. And then what you want to do is go to the top, and you want to kind of click and drag over here where you want the crossfade to be. So I'm going to click and drag kind of over the borders, so over the end of the first track or the first audio clip, and then over the beginning of the second one, so just like this. Now, when you've done that, all you have to do is press Ctrl and F on your keyboard, and it's gonna open up this crossfade window over here. Now, in here, you can use any of these presets, or you could just go ahead and adjust these lines over here, and that's going to help you to, of course, crossfade in Pro Tools. Then down here, you can select the in shape, the slope, and the out shape as well, so it's up to you, and of course, you can then modify this however you want. You can kind of test it out, hit OK, and of course, compare it as well, and stuff like that. And if you don't like it, just press Ctrl and F again, and you'll be able to change it, okay? So that's essentially how to crossfade. When you're done, click on the OK button, and you are good to go. As you can see here, it basically indicates you have a crossfade. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.